In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the oil in this GMC Acadia. Let's get into it. Underneath the vehicle, we can see that the oil pan is right here. We're going to remove the drain plug. We're using a 15mm wrench. Loosen that up. Make sure you have a drain bucket underneath. Pull that out. While that's draining, we're going to take the old gasket. You can just use a pick. Just peel that off. Slide the gasket out. Throw that out. You can take a new gasket, put a new gasket on. Or you can also replace the whole drain plug with a new gasket. Once that oil's drained out, put the plug in. Snug that down. Torque that drain plug to 18 foot-pounds. Now we're going to take the oil filter off. I'm just going to use a band wrench. Just loosen this up. Keep a drain bucket underneath just in case. Let that drain. And slide that out. Take a rag. You want to make sure that the seal didn't get stuck up there like this one. Take that seal down. Just wipe that surface area. Take the new oil filter. You want to take some fresh motor oil on your finger and just wipe it on the seal. Just like that. And install the filter. Once it's just touching, we're going to go another half turn to 3/4 turn. And that's good. I'll just wipe off any excess oil on the filter and where the drain plug is. That's good. Now pull the oil cap off. You can see on the oil cap what type of oil to use. Use a funnel, and for this vehicle I'm going to use 6 quarts of 5W30 oil. Remove the funnel, put the cap back on. Now we're going to start the vehicle for 10 seconds, then shut it down and check the level. Pull the dipstick out. Wipe it with a clean rag. Reinsert the dipstick. Pull it out again. And make sure the oil level is between these hash marks. And it should be closer to the top, which it is. So we're good. If it's not, if it's closer to the bottom, you want to add some oil. With the key on, engine off, we're going to reset the oil life. We can hit the check mark right now to dismiss, and we can scroll through. And we're going to find where the oil life is. There's the oil life remaining, 0%. We want to hold the check mark down. and then it goes to 100%, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.